Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim, and these are terminal knee extensions for restoring knee extension as well as various knee conditions. So grab yourself a seat, kind of slide out to the edge of it, extend that affected leg. If you're already feeling kind of a stretch behind the leg, just point your toe down. You're going to use a hand or both hands just above the kneecap on the quad, and all you're going to do is push straight down, perpendicular to your leg. So I'm just pushing more this way rather than straight that way. If in the clinic we decided that your toes pointed out or pointed in made the exercise more effective, you can go ahead and do that. So point your toes out on one hand, just on your shin bone to hold that position, and then your other hand to push into extension. And then same thing for the other direction.